got the whole world. In his hands, he's got the whole world. In his hands, he's got the whole world. In his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands.
Lo, O my children, allow me to speak with you, for it is that time again, every 25,000 years for the renewal and reawakening of the children of the stars. Your soul is about to embark upon a journey through time and space. Let me speak to you of the beginnings of your solar system, and the beginnings of the planet on which you currently reside, which has had many names over time, but which you commonly currently refer to as Earth. There has been no time when man was not, but there was indeed a time when your planet and your sun was not. Prior to man being formed of the dust of the ground of the planet, man was formed of the dust of the stars, or stardust. For you are indeed star seeds, children of the stars, the star people, of celestial origins. Over time, you have forgotten your stellar origins. You have limited yourself to only earthly and mundane matters. You have descended from captains of starships to the cargo on slave ships. You have become imprisoned on your planet. You have become trapped behind the nine ball. And what shall explain to you what the nine ball is? It is an abode governed by three great realities, three sets of three, which give you nine. The ball is the orb, like the sun, planets, and moons of your solar system, which are all circular, 360 degrees, 3 plus 6 equals 9, again, and you are behind the nine ball. You have reached the ninth hour and must give up the ghost belief. The nine ball represents the nine orbs of your solar system. In ancient times, your solar system was called the Great Omnid, your star, Shamash, which you call sun, followed by the 8 other planets, the 8 goddess wives of the sun, which have been known by many different names by many different beings over time. There is Mary, called Mercury, known intergalactically as Mummu. There is Vena, called Venus, known intergalactically as Lahemu. There is Gertha, called Earth, known intergalactically as Ki. There is Marcia, called Mars, known intergalactically as Lamu. There is Jutar, called Jupiter, known intergalactically as Kishar. There is Saturna, called Saturn, known intergalactically as Anchar. There is Rana, called Uranus, known intergalactically as Anu. And there is Nepetu, called Neptune, known intergalactically as Ea. These 9 balls, these 9 orbs, 3 times 3, make up the boundaries of your prison, the circumference of your limitations. You fear expanding your horizons. I have said ye are gods and children of the Most High. You call yourselves gods, but then limit yourselves only to the planet Earth. You shun and laugh at the mere thought or conversation of outer space, extraterrestrials, and celestial worlds beyond the stars. What fools ye mortals be, for God is omnipresent, ubiquitous, existing everywhere in the boundless universe simultaneously. God is interterrestrial, terrestrial, and extraterrestrial. A true god or goddess would never limit themselves to only one planet or only one solar system. Freemason. Are you a traveling man? Why do you fear traveling into outer space, to the eastern stars, and beholding the light with thine own eyes from the Sirius solar system? From the most recent Big Bang, the age of the universe is only 14 billion years old. Your sun star is only 4.6 billion years old. The planet Earth has not always been here, and the planet Earth will not always be here. Your planet Earth has not always been habitable, and it will not always be habitable. Your sun star has not always been here, and your sun star will not always be here. The day shall come when it too will one day die. In order for your species to survive, you will have to travel to the stars, you will have to journey to other planets, you will have to explore the cosmos for your survival and well-being. You should love your family, you should take care of your children, you should solve and face the challenges of your day-to-day life. But once the sun dies and the earth is no longer habitable, you will not have a place to live, and none of those things will even matter. You should not just limit yourself to just one continent when the entire Earth is yours. And you should not limit yourself to just the Earth when the entire multiverse is yours. You are the master of the universe. You are the guardians of the galaxy. You are the Star Lords. Do you deny your birthright? Will you allow yourself to be supplanted? We have sent you leaders like Elijah Muhammad, who spoke to you about the mothership. We have sent you leaders like Noble Drew Ali, who spoke to you about the apparatus. We have sent you leaders to liberate you from tunnel vision, closed caption viewing, and closed-mindedness. Children of the stars, the hourglass is running out. You must get from behind the 9-ball, before it's too late. Glory be to me, the one appointed over you, known to you by many names, the Most High, the Greatest, he who holds the whole world in his hand.